Good afternoon, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir. Once again, we are in money and banking chapter, and after made a overall discussion over central bank and its function and commercial bank and its function. Now we came at the last point to make a comparison between central bank and commercial bank. There are lots of people or general people have some doubts regarding the understand the functions of commercial bank and central bank, and people cannot differentiate between the functions of commercial bank and central bank. These two banks are totally different from each other, and on what basis central bank, whether it is a monetary authority or regulator, monetary facilitator, monetary coordinator towards monetary system of an economy. On the other hand, commercial bank is just act as an intermediary institution between peoples to take their deposits and advancing them loans. So we have to be differentiate these two banks on various basis as it is written on board. Now we have to be taken very first the basis on the basis of central bank and commercial bank. What is the difference? That the on the basis central bank, it is a banker of all the bank. Understand? It is the banker of all the bank. On the other hand, commercial bank operate under the control of central bank. Commercial bank is just a bank in a lot of banks. Commercial bank is a single bank, and they have to be operate under the control of central bank, but central bank is the banker of all the banks. Second, credit flow. Central bank, it controls the credit flow in the economy, as we mentioned in earlier video that central bank, the prime function of central bank is credit control, because credit control is the most important function of central bank. Why there is need of credit control? So there is need of credit control because as we know that for any economy, it is not hyperinflation or hyperdeflation not assumed as good, because both conditions were not suitable condition for economic developmental process. In that way, the credit control became the most important and crucial function which is performed by central bank, and through its credit control policy, qualitative credit control policy and monetary qualitative and quantitative credit control policy, RBI or central bank used to control credit according to economic demand and economic situation. Thus the credit control, central bank stand to control the credit flow in the economy, and that should never be excess. If there is excess credit flow, then there is a inflationary situation, or least credit flow make a deflationary situation. So the credit flow must be controlled, and it is controlled by Reserve Bank of India. On the other hand, कमर्शियल बैंक इट क्रिएट्स क्रेडिट विद इन द इकोनॉमी. कमर्शियल बैंक का काम क्रेडिट क्रिएट करना है, जबकि रिजर्व बैंक का काम क्रेडिट को कंट्रोल करना है. ऑन थर्ड, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ बोथ बैंक? तो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स की अगर हम बात करें तो सेंट्रल बैंक का ऑब्जेक्टिव है सोशल वेलफेयर बाय मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ मॉनेटरी रिसोर्सेज. सेंट्रल बैंक स्टैंड टू ensure the social welfare of all peoples, especially for the lower and poor sections of the society, for the farmers upliftment and farmers enhancement in their own status. तो सोशल वेलफेयर के अंतर्गत रिजर्व बैंक sometime, most of time रिजर्व बैंक advise to commercial bank that they have to be create credit towards needy person, they have to be create credit towards productive manners, and especially farmers and small and peoples and lower and poor sections of the society, for small and cottage industries, self-helping groups, anyway. So overall, if we find the objective of these two banks, then we find that central bank stand for social welfare. On the other hand, commercial bank stand for profit maximization. As we already mentioned in our previous video that while commercial bank creates credit, money creation or credit creation, that is the only way from which a commercial bank get their profit, and that profit was earned by commercial bank on the basis of different of rate of interest which they used to charge for the loans which they advance to the peoples and which they given on the deposit of the peoples. That is that difference make profit for commercial bank, and commercial bank objective is profit maximization. द फोर्थ इज बैंकर. ये बैंकर क्या है, बैंकर किसके हैं? इट इज द बैंकर टू द गवर्नमेंट एंड द बैंक्स. ये जो सेंट्रल बैंक होता है ये बैंकर है किसका? गवर्नमेंट का और बैंकों का. वेन एवर, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने देखा है कि डिफिसिट फाइनेंसिंग में RBI used to help government through issue of new currency and manage the bridge up the gap between public expenditure and public revenue. At that time, central bank became the banker to the government. And we also see that in repo rate and reverse repo rate, when commercial bank used to get loans from RBI, and that time, and whenever banker in situation or also out of deposit, at that time RBI used to provide monetary assistance to the bank, and at that time central bank became the banker of banks. On the other hand, commercial bank, they are bankers to the common people, because they with commercial bank deal with only common peoples. They accepting deposit from common peoples, and they also advancing loans to the common peoples, and that is the prime function of commercial bank. But reserve bank or central bank's prime function is become or stand as a banker to the both bank as well as government. So this function is more vast function of central bank, and because of this it is said apex bank of the monetary system or of any economy.